Hi, it's Jaydon from AC Solar Warehouse. Usually I'm up in Cairns manufacturing products and designing different boards. Today, down here at All Energy, we've got plenty on display down here. You can come check out our SIG Energy custom gateways, our big commercial solar distribution boards. Marshalling board over there is just when you have multiple inverters on site. You want to connect them all together before connecting the grid. Then you have a nice, easy pre-wired board. These are a little product that we've been working on recently. It's nice and easy for the homeowner. They can connect this to the Sparky wires it to the main switchboard. The homeowner has nice little instructions on the QR code on top to connect their generator. When the grid goes out, it makes it easy as possible to get their house back online with the generator. We also offer pre-wired end-phase system controllers. We can do any configuration you want really, and just makes the job on site a bit quicker and easier. We've received great feedback so far. If you haven't stopped by yet and checked out our products, make sure you do and we can have a chat.